Want to get more therapy inquiries without paying for ads? In this video, I'll show you how to use System.io to create a simple client generation funnel. Step 1. Log into your System.io account. Click Funnels and then Create. Name your funnel Therapist Lead Funnel. Choose Build an Audience and click Create. You'll automatically get an opt-in page and a thank you page. Step 2. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a clean, professional template. Replace the headline with something like, Book a confidential therapy consultation, or Take the first step toward better mental well-being. Add a short description explaining who you help and the types of therapy you offer. Step 3. Now customize the page by adding a professional photo of the therapist, a short About Me section, your specialties such as anxiety, stress, relationships, trauma, or family counseling, a contact or consultation request form, a button that says Request a consultation or Book your first session. Keep the page simple and focused on helping visitors take the next step. Step 4. Next, edit your thank you page. Thank visitors for submitting their request. Let them know when they can expect a response. Step 5. Preview your funnel on both desktop and mobile devices. Submit a test inquiry to make sure your contact form and thank you page work correctly before publishing. CTA. And that's it. You've created a simple therapy lead generation funnel in System.io. If you'd like to build landing pages, websites, sales funnels, and automations for your business, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab,